Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Xiaomi 13. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, go for additional settings, and here select gestures shortcuts. Now let's check how all of them work. First one is launch Google Assistant by pressing and holding the power key for half a second. Let's try it out. And as you can see, it works fine. Next one is take a screenshot. If you enter it, you can enable two different settings. Slide 3 fingers down and hold volume down and power key to make the screenshot. Let's try the first one. Works fine. And the second also works fine. Next is a partial screenshot. You can use your 3 fingers onto the screen to make a partial screenshot. Next is a launch camera. So here's also two options. You can double press the power button and double press volume down key to open a camera. Let's try volume down. I think our phone needs to be locked for this one, but for this one it should work fine. So now let's try it on lock screen. Yep, it works fine. Next is a turn on torch, and if you want to enable it, you will need to replace the launch camera. Double press power key for it, and let's do this. It works fine as well. Last option is a back tap, and here if you enter it, there's two different options, double back tap and triple back tap. If you select any of them, you can pick which function it will work as. Let's go for a screenshot with the first one, and triple back tap. Let's make it open calculator. Let's try it out. This works fine. So you need to tap your phone in the back like that, and then it works. Let's try triple tap. And the calculator launches. So that was all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.